So, hi, I'm Paul from Danish Aerospace. This is the Eaglet, and what is it?
We're going to show you how to fly it.
And how we fly it is you have to wind it up and then throw it.
All right, so we're going to show you how to set up the Eaglet for flying, and this is applicable to any small rubber model. So we've got an open window here to access the rear peg location. Don't have the rear peg in yet. And then we've got open access up front. We've got a reverse S-hook prop shaft that I made for this particular airplane. That'll probably be eventually replaced so Paul can use a Crockett hook on it, which is really more ideal. So we're going to set the airplane down, and the first thing we want to do is prep out a rubber motor. Now the plans call for an 18-inch loop of 1/4 inch rubber, which doesn't give you a lot of slack, but you can use that without braiding. And since there's a rubber band on the front of the fuselage to hold the nose block on, you can get away with a slack rubber motor in this. The problem with that is occasionally the rubber motor will slip off the prop shaft with a few winds left in it, and it'll go flying into the back of the airplane, plane stalls to the ground, and you've dropped that max. So what I'm going to show you how to do is braid a motor to load into the airplane so that you can maintain tension on the rubber motor throughout and avoid that behavior. So first of all, what I've been doing with my hands the whole time I'm yammering is putting silicone lubricant on this rubber. Again, this is a loop of 1/8. It's a 40-inch loop of 1/8 to make a 20-inch loop of 1/8, and this is the silicone lubricant that we sell. And Paul is a little bit jumping the gun here, but he's about right. Now, Paul, I want you to find that short, fat tube there and hand that one to me when I tell you to. So what we're going to do is we're just going to crank in a few winds here. I do want to point out, most important of all, is that Paul built this airplane. Did he have some assistance? Absolutely he did, but you built that airplane. How'd you like building that? Was that a challenging airplane to build?
Yeah.
All right, hold on, wait. No. That's not what we do quite yet. So what I've done is I've cranked in about 100 turns, which is probably more than you need. And we've got it roughly equal tension on both strands here so that we've got this behavior now. So we can take this loose. You can see it's got some tension. As you let it unwind, it'll unwind to whatever condition you want it to. And so this is braiding. We've got a video devoted to this, so I'm not going to spend a huge amount of time. Now I want the short fat tube. Yep, that one. And so what I'm going to do is I've got this cut off piece of 5/32 tubing here, and so I can slip this. Paul, please don't put that in quite yet, Paul. And this is a little on the tight side. And I'm realizing now I forgot to get a rubber band to tie this off. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a dental band around this in just a minute. See, we've got that behavior so we can slip a peg through. Never mind. All right, so I've got a small rubber band here. And what I'm doing with this is I'm just ensuring by wrapping this around here that it won't slip off of this peg. Okay. So now we've got that all self-contained. Now, Paul, I'm going to need that short stick here in just a minute. All right, not the short stick, the long one. Can I have that?
Yes. You may.
That was graceful of me. Okay, so what we want is we want to get the back of the rubber motor. I had it down there and then I managed to flop it around.
No chicken is pretty.
We have a wayward chicken over here. So what we're trying to do is slip this peg through here, just like this. So it's through there. Just like that. And then the next thing that we do is we can take a little rubber band across here. There we go. And this keeps the rear peg from slipping out. Now, I'm going to have to take this loose because I did something really dumb. I have a dethermalizer line across here, and I have the rubber band lapped across it, which means dethermalizer won't work too well. And there we go. All right, so before we power anything up, we're going to slip this on here, crank in a couple of winds. Oh, you're jumping the gun. We don't use the winder yet. We got to test glide it first. And then if you let this unwind, tensions itself up. First, we can slip this rubber band across. And now, what we want to check is where the CG is. And I'm balancing right about here, which is about where the plans call for. Okay, there you go. All right, gentle. There you go. All right, so diving in a little bit. Go get it, let us see it. Do it one more time just so we can see. All right. Yep, definitely diving in. So bring it over here and we'll fix that. So since the airplane is diving and we've already set our center of gravity, we're going to adjust that using incidence adjustments. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little shim right here. And then lock the DT back down. All right, give it another test glide. Okay, don't throw it quite so hard, Paul. Don't throw it quite so hard. We want to see that steady state behavior. Okay, still going in a little bit, so bring it over here. That's like we said, one more shim. And yes, I did put glue on that too. All right, Daddy gets to test glide at once. Oh yeah, okay. All right, so what we saw is the airplane is going off to the left. Let me see it real quick. And we do have some wash in on the right wing, which is okay because we kind of want some. But that means that the airplane is trying to lean over too much to the right. So we're going to put some flaps here on the fin to try to address that. And I think it's going to need a fair amount of it. So we're going to put one here and then stack another one right on top of it. All right. Okay, let Daddy do it because Daddy wants to see if it's actually... It helps if you're tall. It really does. Okay, we're still going into the left. All right, so we've got more rudder trim here. And we need just a tiny, tiny bit more. All right, try that. You gotta throw it smoother than that, son. All right, this is where I get to illustrate that when you're test gliding an airplane, you point it nose down and you just slide it into the air in a downward direction. We're still going to the left. All right, so this is where we actually take a knife to it and we bend in a little bit of left, or sorry, a little bit of right And yes, I did crack that, and so now I have to re-glue it.
What's the clay for? What's the lead for?
That's in case we decide that we don't like the CG location. All right, give it a test flight for us. Now remember, point it down and throw it down. There you go. That's looking pretty good. Let me try it once.
It flies good if you're tall.
It does, doesn't it?
See how it flies.
Yeah, it looks like it'll get us something started. Let's fly it before it gets dark. All right, let's go ahead and load it up. So let's get the pin through here. All right, now you can take the, yeah, that's fine. Leave it like that, that's fine.
So we have to take the crop off.
Yep, so get a good grip on your rubber motor. You don't, come on, pull it out some. There, now, grip it with your whole hand. There you go. Watch it, you're gonna break your fuselage. Oh, oh. Wait. Let Daddy get it. Because Daddy messed. That's good. Yeah. Oh, very nice.
Hey, look at the eaglet. I think the eaglet.
That really goes. Nice. All right, go get it. All right, point the nose up a little. Yeah. And that goes. Out of juice. Coming right at us. Perfect. Go ahead and set it in your stooge. Now use the thinner pin. Actually, use this one back here.
Hold on. It starts at 5:30 Pacific time.
Okay.
So 8:30.
Mommy,
Or 7:30 Central time.
Mommy, while we're still at the house,
Mhm.
we can wear jackets and then.
No, use the top. There you go. There you go.
There.
All right. Propeller first. Let go of the propeller. There you go. Look at that go.
Oh. Okay. Daddy,
Stay with it. No. Don't get your bike. Just stay with it on foot.
I can still see it.
Yeah.
The plane's actually having fun. When does it land?
Right now. I'll leave that glide. Paul, leave your bike. Come get it. Paul, you're missing it. Okay. A little more power. There you go.
Ready?
Yeah. Definitely get a let off on the propeller first next time. That was little too close. Wow, that gets up there. Let's see if we can DT it down. Nope.
Wrong DT'er.
Not enough battery.
That's because you didn't plug the battery in.
Oh, I did plug it in. Oh well. Not bad. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm gonna help you get.
No, please don't. Please don't. This is definitely a one-person thing.
Oh, great.
Landing gear is stuck a little bit.
Well, it's coming a little bit.
Yeah, I just gotta lift it straight up instead of out. There we go. Oop, funk.
What? Did anything break?
I don't think so. You want to fly it one more time?
Yeah.
What'd you think of that airplane?
Good.
That's all you got to say about it? What's it called? Do you remember what it's called?
The Eaglet.
Uh-huh. Do you remember what it's what class it's for?
I can't remember.
It's one of the FAC classes.
I can't remember.
Embryo.
Embryo.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Who built that airplane?
Me, myself.
Yeah.
And Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy did help a little. Mainly Daddy doped it.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, just got away with that. Paul, I would not get up there.
Daddy,
I know.
I want to watch my play.
You can watch from there. Look at it go. That's beautiful. Think you can catch it? I don't know if it's going to come where you can, but go get it.
Nope.
Oh, it's coming back to you. Go get it. Go. Go. Run, run, run. Almost. Nice. All right, where can we get kits for this?
From Jetco Eaglet.
Yep. Do you remember what class it's for?
Embryo.
Very good. All right. Can you sign off for us? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. Just to prove a point. And there goes the DT. So nice.
Yep.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.